In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Pictory AI video generator through a comprehensive walkthrough. Let's dive in, starting with how you can get your hands on this amazing tool. First things first, head over to Pictory AI and take advantage of their free trial offer. Rest assured, no credit card details are needed to get started, so it's completely risk-free. Once you've signed up, it's time to choose from one of their main templates to begin your video creation journey. There are 4 templates you can select from, each catering to different needs. If you're looking to convert your written scripts into videos, then the script to video option will be your go-to. Should you need to transform your blog posts or URLs into visually engaging content, the article to video template is perfect. For those aiming to create videos using images or slides, visuals to video will serve you well. Lastly, the video editor template allows you to edit existing videos with the help of AI-powered tools. Once you've selected a template that aligns with your project, it's time to input your content. If you chose the script to video option, simply paste your script into the editor. Pictory will handle the heavy lifting by automatically dividing it into scenes and even suggesting relevant stock footage for you. Alternatively, if you're working with the article to video template, input the URL of the article. Pictory will efficiently extract the main content and convert it into a dynamic video format. With your content in place, let's move on to the exciting part, customizing your video. This is where you get to play around and get creative. You can edit the text, switch out stock footage, adjust the timing of each scene, and add captions to enhance your video's narrative. You have the option to choose from a variety of AI-generated voiceovers to complement your video, or you can upload your own if you prefer a personal touch. Additionally, personalizing your video with your brand elements like logos and specific color schemes is a breeze. Now that you've designed your masterpiece, it's crucial to preview your video to make sure it looks and sounds exactly how you envisioned it. If you're happy with the outcome, proceed to export the final version. You can customize the format and resolution to suit your specific needs, whether it's for a professional presentation or a casual upload on social media. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of using Pictory AI's video generator. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this tool streamlines the video production process and offers a robust suite of features to make engaging videos effortlessly. Don't forget to enjoy experimenting with the endless possibilities Pictory AI has to offer.